In this video, I will show you simple setting you need to change in order to stop group member from adding anyone to your group on WhatsApp. Let me show you how. Open up your WhatsApp app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select a particular group you want to use. I'm going to use this group right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the group name. Then scroll down right here until you get to group setting right here. Go ahead and click on group permission. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply turn on this button right here. And with that, you can as well send message history, allow member to send past message history to member. You can also turn on this button. With invite fair link QR code, turn on this. It's that simple. Send. So you turning on all these three buttons simply means that even if the new member are with group link or group QR code, they won't be able to join the group until you give your approval. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about WhatsApp group settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.